We've done the strawberries and raspberries. Now it's the turn of gooseberries and red currants. I'm going to show you how to turn these tart little currants into the most incredibly brilliant sauce. Red currants come on little bunches on a stem, and what you have to do is you just have to get them off. And the easiest way to do this is with each small bunch you pick up a fork and you slide it from the top downwards. You can see me doing it here, and it's easy, much easier than picking each one off at a time. And then you pop the red currants into a bowl, and now you're ready to make the almost instant sauce. I'm adding here a tablespoon and maybe a little extra bit of plain sugar, and then you have to cook it. The idea is just to soften the currants. A small amount like this takes about 2 minutes in the microwave. They make their own liquid. If you cook them on the hob in a saucepan, it'll take a little longer and you may need to add a few tablespoons of water. Pour the cooked mixture through a sieve into another bowl. Now what you have to do is just press it down firmly. This takes a few minutes. I have speeded it up here. Finish by scraping the last bit from the bottom of the sieve into the bowl. And now it's done. Taste the sauce. If it's not sweet enough, you can add a little bit more sugar while it's still warm. Stir it in, and this is what you get. Now look what I've done with it. The sauce is at the bottom. There's 3 slices of fresh peach, there's ice cream in the middle, and a little biscuit on the side. You may think I've forgotten about the gooseberries. What I've done here is to rinse them and then cut off the tops and cover them with a little bit of sugar. And now, after cooking them in just the same way as you did the currants, this is what's called stewed gooseberries. As a dessert, it's great with cream or custard. But now here's a surprise. What's this? It's fish. The tart, sweet flavour of the green berries goes particularly well with oily fish like this smoked mackerel. So, next time you see either of these 2 unusual fruits in a store or market, please give them a try.